becoming a part of Viksit Bharat finalists out of the 30 lakh students, being the top finalists, the top 3000s, and getting a chance to interact with PM Modi.
Is attending H Fair at Harvard University. Started Booksiel back then when I was in grade 9.
The center which I had, there were like only 10 girls and almost 1000 boys.
What else can you do other than being a girl? How else can you contribute? What else can your contribution be other than being a dummy member?
If you feel like working on an idea, so just work on it. The craziest thing I've done till date is attending H Fair at Harvard University. That was an experience of life. I've never have like that experience, but it was crazy that I went there.
For me, the craziest moment till now has been becoming a part of Viksit Bharat finalists out of the 30 lakh students, being the top finalists, the top 3000s, and getting a chance to interact with PM Modi.
I think so for me it was कि जब मेरी CGP आई थी semester 1 की, I was not expecting, I was expecting good but not that good कि 9.7 ही आ जाएगी. That was really crazy कि I was not expecting it.
30 people selected from each topic, and 5 had to go for interview, out of which 3 would get selected for the finals. And I had my train to go back to my home at 3, and it was already 1:30, and I did not know whether I'm going to get shortlisted for interview or not. I was about to go to the teacher and ask them what is happening. They said go for the interview. Then I went for the interview, and the moment I just reached my home, I get the message that you're selected for the finals.
Manage this stress. It's probably कि I call my parents. They don't understand कि why I'm crying over recursion probably. But the thing is, some like love and long distance support.
Our school used to organize certain things like visits to underprivileged like school students, and then I saw a problem where there were no computer classes for them in government schools in India. So I kind of got motivated and started Booksiel back then when I was in grade 9, and taught computers to those students. So till date we have taught 1500 students, and I can proudly say that we have reached Africa also. I have volunteers from Africa, so and raised somewhere around $1,000 in fund. So I think this is something I love, and I am looking forward to it. I won't say full of boys only, but yeah, when I went for H Fair, there was we were divided into teams, so there were very less girls. So I was the youngest one there in our team, and it was like a room full of boys, but I was the only one and the youngest one. So yeah, it gives you motivation. You traveled alone, to a different country. You learned a lot. Then you kind of experienced what it is like to go abroad and stuff. So yeah, that is something I've felt.
Last year I gave my NDA exam, and the center which I had, there were only 10 girls and almost 1000 boys. So in my room, I was the only one girl sitting in the exam room. And the second was SIH time. There were a lot of people approaching because everyone wanted one girl in their team. So that was the second moment. And during Viksit Bharat, we were 3 or 4 girls in the team out of 30. And me being the youngest one, I was treated well and pampered well by the bhaiyas that I had.
कि कोडिंग नहीं आती है सीपी में अच्छा नहीं होती है गर्ल्स बहुत कम गर्ल्स होती हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में या डीएसए में.
Girls in engineering, I guess that's because they say girls go for grooming, doctory and all, but there are girls in engineering as well.
And plus एक not stereotype but it's an experience कि when I was also preparing for that SIH, so they were selecting a team and there was a requirement कि there has to be at least one girl. So one boy approached me and he said, what else can you do other than being a girl? How else can you contribute? What else can your contribution be other than being a dummy member?
मुझे किसी ने चीज़ बोली थी कि आप जब भी अपना डे स्टार्ट करो एंड वट एवर यू फील लाइक डूइंग जस्ट डू इट. आई मीन if you feel like doing working on an idea, so just work on it, start working on it.
One of my teacher told me to always have battle of high standards, ki never settle for the less. There is lot for your future. You should always keep working. Like just work hard so much on yourself that if you see back, you're like, yes, I did something.
When I got into HPair, I told Priyog sir about it. He said that okay, NST will fund it, so for you. So I think that was something that really touched my heart, because no other college does, and NST did it for me, to completely fund my journey at Harvard.
The way teachers are with us, if there were problem here, just go to them, take them. If you have lot of things going about in your mind, just go and vent out to them. They'll listen to you. If you have an idea, just put it up. They'll help you, guide you कि क्या गलत हो सकता है, क्या सही हो सकता है. It give you the right path. If you have a really good idea, they even support you further कि लो funding भी ले लो and everything. That's what makes me feel like this is very good.
Honestly, when I came to this college, I was basically very homesick. I used to cry for a lot of time. But after that, of course, company अच्छी मिल गई, दोस्त धीरे-धीरे, I had better friends, I made better friends. तो यानी सब लोगों का माइंड प्रोसेस ऑलमोस्ट सेम था, उनकी थिंकिंग मेरी जैसी ही थी. सो व्हेन as she rightly said कि when you find similar minded people who have similar thoughts, you actually just feel like you belong there. So for me, of course, teachers were there, but the first time when I felt was when I had good friends, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, I get inspired by Falguni Nayak, the founder of Nykaa. I mean, she started her company when she was 49 or 50 years of age. So I think that is something so inspiring, and to learn from her that age does not matter, and whatever you feel like doing, you can do it and still make it a huge company.
For me, it's Geeta Khannan, because she brought the IT movement in India for women in tech. And after that revolution, there have been a lot of women who got empowered and are actually making big things in women in tech.
For me, it's Ayushi Mittal. Basically, she is a candidate master on Codeforces, and that is what I do. I also do CP. So I just look up to her. I also want to reach a place where I'm just comfortably there, most likely.
No, not at all. I thought I'll get homesick and I'll take my time. But no, it was, the campus is so lively. You get to explore a lot of things. So I really didn't expect it, but yeah, it happened.
Not at all, because everything was just, we did not even know कि किस level का हम काम कर रहे. It was just our teachers told us and we just said कि just try it. And जब वो try करते करते, the place we reached, it's really privileged to be here.
So fast, I would say no, not that fast, but unexpected also no. Like I was expecting, because जो level का curriculum है, जो हिसाब की जो मेहनत करवाते हैं, सब कुछ, it is basically the funnel how you get into success. So it was not unexpected कि नहीं होगा, होना ही था, but हाँ जल्दी, बहुत जल्दी हो गया. Newton gave us that opportunity, of course.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like,
Share.
And subscribe. And who knows, you could be the next women in tech sitting right here. All the best.